Debunking common nutrition myths, what you need to know. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling some of the most common nutrition myths that can lead to confusion and misinformation. Let's set the record straight with evidence-based facts. First up, the myth that eating healthy is too expensive. In reality, with thoughtful planning, nutritious eating can be budget-friendly. Incorporating more whole grains, fruits, and vegetables into your diet can be both affordable and beneficial for your health. Next, the misconception that everyone should follow a gluten-free diet. Unless you have celiac disease or a gluten intolerance, there's no need to avoid gluten. Whole wheat products offer essential nutrients like B vitamins and fiber. Another myth is that unrefined sugars, such as honey or maple syrup, are healthier than white sugar. While they may contain trace nutrients, they still contribute to your daily added sugar intake and should be consumed in moderation. Many believe that snacking between meals leads to weight gain. In fact, healthy snacks can help maintain energy levels and prevent overeating at meals. Opt for nutrient-dense options like fruits, nuts, or yogurt. There's also the myth that fresh fruits and vegetables are healthier than frozen or canned. Studies show that frozen produce can be just as nutritious as fresh, and often more affordable. Lastly, the belief that all fat is bad. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados and nuts, are essential for heart health and should be included in a balanced diet. By debunking these myths, we hope to empower you to make informed dietary choices. Remember, nutrition is complex, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition insights. Stay healthy.